Hello, I'm Sheriff Rosie. As Hurricane Preparedness Week begins, I want to remind everyone that preparation today can make all the difference tomorrow. Living in South Florida means we must always be ready, not just during a storm, but before one even forms. And here at the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office, we're doing the same. Our teams are actively preparing, coordinating resources, reviewing emergency plans, and working together to ensure we're ready to respond when our community needs us most. The first step is making sure your household has a plan and the supplies that you need. That includes a 7-day supply of water and non-perishable food, about 1 gallon of water per person per day, including your pets. You should also have a first aid kit and necessary medications, flashlights, a battery-powered radio, and extra batteries. Protect what matters most. Make sure your important documents like identification, insurance policies, and medical information are stored in a safe, waterproof container. Have a plan for your family. Know your evacuation zone. Identify nearby shelters and make sure everyone in your household understands where to go and what to do if an evacuation is ordered. Don't forget the basics that people often overlook. Keep cash on hand, a full tank of gas, and emergency tools in your vehicle in case you need to leave quickly. And most importantly, stay informed. Follow trusted sources, monitor updates, and always follow instructions from local officials. At the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office, your safety is our top priority, but preparedness starts with you. Visit mdso.com for more information and take the time this week to prepare, because when it comes to hurricanes, being ready isn't optional, it's essential. Stay safe, Miami-Dade.